Looks like the first single wide. This is nice. Living room. Shows you how you can set up. Goes right into the kitchen. Plenty of storage space. Dishwasher. Plenty of storage space. Refrigerator. And right off of the kitchen is the laundry room, where you set up your washer and dryer. Got your shelving and a back door. Then you go right into the master bedroom. Got your drop ceiling. Don't know the square footage, but the bathroom, master bath, has a huge walk-in closet. Single sink and vanity. There's your toilet. And actually has a nice stand-up shower. Very nice. Got your railing, everything you're going to need. Looks like you're going to need some caulking done. It's a very nice big shower. And I don't actually see a closet in the master bedroom, but there is a nice size window. Okay, so we're gonna go back through the kitchen and through the living room. Through the hallway to the second bedroom. This is really nice. Have a nice size closet. And I'm gonna give you an angle so you can see the size of the bedroom. I like that lighting fixture. Got a nice size window. And I love the floors. Okay, look at this bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. Looks very spacious. Has the bathroom, bathtub, shower combo. But look at the space. It's very spacious in here for a guest bathroom. And then the third bedroom. Very nice. Let's check out the closet first. Nice closet. Plenty of space. Plenty of space in there. It's kind of dark, but very nice. I'm going to get in here so you can see how big the second guest bedroom is. Could probably fit a queen size bed in there. That's very spacious. Get in the corner so you can see that. And of course, a nice size window. I do notice that your vents are on the floor. Plenty of electrical outlets. Very nice. And these bedrooms have vents above the door. Set on down here. So very nice. Here's your front door, where we came in at. This is really nice. It's another look at this kitchen. Plenty of storage space. This is called the Kennedy